In front of me is iPad Air 2025, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down, then hit Apps at the very bottom. Now you need to select one of your apps you wish to choose as your default one, for example Edge. Click on Default Browser App section in this case, and click on your app. Then go back. If you wish to, you can also hit Default Apps at the top and manage all of those sections. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!